Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my lectureship channel. I hope you like my previous lecture. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. In this lecture, I share some previous lecture of PPSC and FPSC. Number 1. National income. National income or national income of factor cost is equals to, the correct option is option D. National income is equals to national income minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. Number 2. Pakistan is dash largest country in term of population. The correct option is option B. Pakistan is 6th largest country in term of population. Number 3. The agriculture sector employs dash of the country's labor force. The correct option is option D. The agriculture sector employs 45 of country's labor force. Number 4. Pakistan is dash largest country in term of nominal GDP. The correct option is option D. Pakistan is 44th largest country in term of nominal GDP. Number 5. In term goods and scarce means. The correct option is option C. Goods are limited relative to desires. Number 6. The 6th Nobel Prize for Economics was introduced in 1969. The correct option is option B. Swedish National Bank. Number 7. An association of individuals or corporations formed to conduct a specific financial transaction such as buying a business is known as the correct option is option C. Syndicate. Number 8. Bimetallism is the monetary policy based on the use of two metals as legal tender without limit and equalized by law in a fixed ratio. Which are those two metals? The correct option is option B. Gold and silver. Number 9. The type of currency issued by government as legal tender, the value of which is based solely on decree or law rather than actual coin or precious metal reserve in term as. The correct option is option C. Fiat money. Number 10. A type of association usually formed by banks or railroad as a central agency where members can settle account is. The correct option is option A. Cleaning house. Number 11. When demand is price inelastic, a price decrease. The correct option is option A. Reduce total revenue. Number 12. The best measure to see overall performance of an economy of a country is. The correct option is option A. GDP. Number 13. When a country's currency falls in value relative to that of another country, the first country's currency has undergone. The correct option is option A. Depreciation. Number 14. As the amount of a good consumed increase, the dash of that good tends to diminish. The correct option is option D. Marginal utility. Number 15. In economics, gold standard is the monetary system wherein all form of legal tender may be converted on demand into the fixed quantities of gold. In 1816, the first country to go on the gold standard was. The correct answer is B. United Kingdom. Number 16. The part of current assets financed from long-term fund is called. The correct option is option A. Working capital. Number 17. Variable costs are those that vary directly with the rate of output. For example, labor cost, fuel and power, etc. These are also known as the prime cost, direct cost, operating cost, all of the above. The correct option is option D, all of the above. Number 18. If the price was fixed below the equilibrium prices, there would be, the correct option is option B, excess demand. Number 19. A reduction in the cost of production will, the correct option is option C, shift the supply curve. Number 20. The total sales revenue of a business is called, the correct option is option B, turnover. Number 21. Instruments for short-term borrowing by the government are called, correct option is option A, treasury bills. Number 22. In UK, who is the first Lord of Treasury? The correct option is option C, Prime Minister. Number 23. The income elasticity is positive 2. An income increased by 20%. Sale were 5,000 units. What will they be now? The correct option is option B, 7,000. Number 24. The excess of the value of imports of goods and services over the value of export of goods and services is called, the correct option is option C, trade gap. Number 25. A trade barrier in any government limitation on the free international exchange of merchandise. Which of these is an instance of trade barrier? The correct option is option D, all of the above. The compulsory transfer of money from private individual, institution or groups to the government is called, the correct option is option C, taxation. Number 27. Arranging one's financial affairs within the law so as to minimize taxation liabilities is known as tax avoidance. Number 28. The notion that economic development should proceed as a pace and in a manner that will conserve the environment and depletable natural resources is called, the correct option is option A, sustainable development. Number 29. Government grants to supplier of goods and services is called, the correct option is option A, subsidy. Number 30. What is the name given to the company legally controlled by other company? The correct option is option C, subsidiaries. Number 31. The quantity of goods and services consumed by an individual or a household is called, the correct option is option A, standard of living. Number 32. Buying and selling with a view to buying and selling at a profit later when the prices have changed in terms. The correct option is option B, speculation. Number 33. Average income increases from £20,000 to £22,000. Quantity demanded per year increases from 5,000 to 6,000 units. Which of the following is correct? The correct option is option D. The product is normal. Number 34. If a product is an inferior good, the correct option is option A. Demand is inversely related to income. Number 35. If marginal cost is positive and falling, the correct option is option B. Total cost is increasing at a falling rate. Number 36. Which best describe a demand curve? The correct option is option D. The correct option is option D. The quantity consumers are willing and able to buy at each and every prices, all other things unchanged. Number 37. Economic growth can be shown by, the correct option is option C, an outward shift of the production possibility frontier. Number 38. A mixed economy. The correct option is option D, allocates resources allocates resources via market resources and government intervention. 39. The basic economic problems will not be solved by. The correct option is option D, the creation of unlimited resources. Number 40. A loan bearing either no rate of interest or an interest rate which is below the true cost of capital lent is known as. The correct option is option A, soft loan. Number 41. The total increase in the welfare of the society from an economic action is called. The correct option is option C, individual benefits. Number 42. What is the term for generating capital from income? The correct option is option A, self-financing. 43. A tax levied as a proportion of retail price of a commodity at a point of sale is called. The correct option is option C, sale tax. Number 44. Scarce inputs that can yield utility through production or provision of goods and services are referred to as. The correct option is option A, resources. Number 45. The term used to describe a sharp slowdown in the rate of economic growth or a modest decline in economic activity is called. The correct option is option C, recession. Number 46. The net profit after depreciation as a percentage of average capital employed in a business is known as. The correct option is option C, rate of return. Number 47. The proportion of a sum of money that is paid over a specified time period in a payment for its loan is called. The correct option is option A, rate of interest. Number 48. The sale of shares on the stock exchange in order to realize capital appreciation is known as. The correct option is option B, profit taking. Number 49. A legal document between a lender and borrower whereby the latter agrees to certain conditions for the repayment of sum of money borrowed is called promissory note. The correct option is option A, promissory note. Number 50. The sale of government owned equity in nationalized industry or other commercial enterprises to private investor is called. The correct option is option B, privatization. Thank you for watching my video.